Now let us solve this irrational equation. Now to this end, what we need to do here, add these two irrational expression. So here we have 2 root x equals root 12. And the reason being that root x plus root x is just synonymous like saying x plus x, which will give us 2x. Alright, so to that end, let us now simplify root 12. And you know root 12 can also be rewritten as 4 times 3. Also, which can also be expressed in this form, root 4 times root 3. And root 4 here is 2. Then times root 3 will end up giving us 2 root 3. Now if you now bring 2 root 3 to this equation here, we have 2 root x then equals 2 root 3. Now you can see we can just eliminate 2 from both sides. Then we are left with root x equals to root 3. Now for us to actually find the value of x, let's just square both sides. So the square root we eliminate the square root eliminate the square. So here we have that x all equals to 3. Alright, so the value of x is giving us what? 3. Thank you and God bless you.